Hello, welcome to another tutorial. You know, I want to teach you a minor 5 chord pattern or a pattern chord that deals with a minor 5. Okay, so um, a minor 5 means if you're to be uh, using the scale, we have chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, 7, and then back to 1. All right, so I taught you that most of the time chord 1 is a major, chord 2 is a minor, 3 is a minor, 4 is a major, 5 is a major most of the time. All right, so this time around, the chord progression is a 1. I'm using the key of C, 1 to 4. So the target is from 1 to 4. There are a lot of things we can do to get to 4. All right, so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right, so depending on the song, but I want to teach you this one. Minor chord, and I'm playing a chord 5 on the left. All right, and then I'm playing a flat 7 on the right. Okay, so you put them together, it becomes a minor chord, but it's on the chord 5. So instead of playing the major, all right, I'm actually playing the minor and then adding the 7 to it. Okay, so it's like, I'll show you in another key also. We'll try constructing it in another key. So there's this song, you laid aside your majesty, gave up everything for me. So we just did it. Okay. Ta-da. The main aim is constructing a minor chord on the 5 and making it a minor 7th chord, and then you move back to your 1 and then you move to your chord 4. Let's try it in the key of F. So this is our chord 1, right, and this is our chord 4. So we're supposed to play a flat 7 chord. So this 1, 7 flat. So we're supposed to do the chord over the 5 like this. So most of the time, this is how you do the run. You do the notes. It's a 2, 3, 4. Then you do your chord like this. So or you can just do the chord like this, as long as it's a minor 7 on the 5, on the chord 5. So before you is from 1 to 4, we play a minor chord on the 5 before we move to the 4. All right, so let's try a different so this is you play a major and then there's a 5. So it's like right, so 4, 1, 4, 1. Okay, so 1, back to 1, then 4. There are times you might have to ignore coming back to 1 before the 4. So you can just do to the 4. Right? There are many songs like that. So any key, you play the 1, you look for the 7, you play the flat, you major it. Okay, so D, for D, A is the 5, so you play, you get your minor, and then back to 4. So any key at all. This is G, this is the minor 7, this is the 5. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial.